for today. We're going to be putting out the charity video soon. I'm going to go over the thing, all the stuff we're going to be doing with you guys. We're going to do a briefing on what we're going to do, what the charity is going to be about, how we're going to go about it, and stuff like that. I'm going to be waiting for my other partner in crime, Nick, to join me for that video, and he should be coming over sometime this weekend, so that should take care of that. And in the meantime, try keeping in touch with us. We'll have you updated on all the stuff that we have going on for now. Thank you. Bye.